Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today's video I'm going to show you how to do your nails. This is kind of like the Apres Gel X technique, so that your nails can look like this. This is the Valentine's look that I did for myself, and they last pretty long unless I start like popping them off. But I've had these for a week already, and they can last up to like 3 weeks or more if you take care of them. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to tell you more tips on how to do your Gel X nails, then let me know in the comments down below. Or if you want me to do any other designs, I can also do that. But yeah, I hope that you like this video, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, I start by selecting the nail tips that I'm going to be using. I measure them on my nails and make sure that they fit perfectly. If they're too big or too small, they end up popping up. So I always make sure they fit. Once I have that, I start filing my nail. I just try to buff up the shine, and I have this electric drill from Amazon that you can get it as well, and it's super easy. I also file the back of the nail tip so that they last longer. Once I do that, I apply some nail dehydrator onto my nail. I just apply a little bit to make sure that my nail has no shine at all. And I also use a primer so that my nails will last way longer. If you don't do this step, the nails are gonna pop off within a week. For the gel, I use the Apres gel that I also found on Amazon, and I apply a thin layer on my nail and cure it, and then I apply another layer on the actual nail tip and make sure that it will just cover whatever it's gonna be on my nail, and then I can cure without pressing too much. Once I have all of them done, I can go back to my nail drill, and I just file anything that was too much from the gel on my cuticle line. So I just make sure that everything is smooth and ready to do the designs. Something else I do before painting my nails is clipping them to my desired length. I use this nail clipper for acrylics. I just clip whatever I need, and then I can go back to a file and file the shape that I want for this design. I'm doing an almond shape, and it's been lately my favorite shape for my nails. For painting my nails, I'm using this milky pink gel polish. All of the gel polishes and things that I use in this video, I got them from Amazon. I do like 1 or 2 layers of this gel polish depending on how dark I want it to look like, and then I can go ahead and cure it. Once all of that is done, I can go and do the design. I'm using a red gel polish for the hearts and also a dotting tool. You can easily just do 2 dots and connect them together and form the heart. They look super cute, and it's so easy for any beginners that don't know how to do nail art, or if you're starting to do your own nails. I think it looks so cute. To finalize the design, I applied some top coat to all of the nails and cure it. And then at the end, I just apply some cuticle oil and massage my nails and my fingers so that my nails can grow longer and healthier. So that is it for this video. I think it's super easy and you can make your nails look really cute at home. I hope that you really like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.